Hey guys, Steve Welcher, Beam of Toyota in Nashville. Had a couple people ask me about this question, so I'm going to go ahead and answer it. So you're going to have seen it in the thumbnail, and the question is what does that switch do? So it's got the A on it and two little squares. It's actually a very easy answer. It is your power mirrors, power folding feature. All right, so I'm going to kind of show you here. So you've got right here on your side here. Now this is actually through several brands, so it doesn't have to just be a Toyota, but what you'll see is you have different switches, a switch in the middle, and then this switch, right? So what you'll notice is in the middle is going to be auto. All right, so I'm just going to show you easy way on auto. Usually when you shut the door, depending on which vehicle you'd have, you might have to lock it. Once you lock it, you'll see both mirrors fold in. As soon as you unlock it, those mirrors will fold back out. All right, if you switch it to here, what you'll notice, come back through, same thing. When you lock it, the mirrors stay exactly where they are. All right, unlock it, obviously that. The other thing, so the third thing, you actually have to have the vehicle started or on. You don't have to actually have it started. And then what you'll notice is when you hit this right here, you fold it in manually on both sides or out manually on both sides. All right, now the reason you might use that is obviously if you're going into a car wash or something like that, or even if you're sitting in a parking lot but you've got the vehicle running, but maybe it's not you know, locked or that, you know. And if you lock it from here, you'll see that even on auto, that locking it from the inside won't do that. You have to lock it from the key fob usually for that. But you'll see this right here, you manually fold them in. It'll stay folded in until you either go to auto, which I just did, go into auto here, or until you go to the other setting. All right, but if you see, if I shut this off, even with the door closed, if I hit that, or even with the the door closed, I hit that switch and nothing happens, right? If I hit the lock button, still nothing happens, right? So you have to actually come to the outside of the car. And either you can also do it this way. If you lock it from here, you'll see that'll also fold that in. So if you have your sensor on your door, that'll also fold in your mirrors. So that's the three positions of that switch, what it does and why they're there. And hopefully that's answered your question. So Steve Welcher, Beam of Toyota in Nashville. Hopefully you guys have a great day. It's beautiful out here. So definitely look forward to bringing you guys some more videos. Definitely like, subscribe. Check out some of the other ones that I've got a lot on the Sienna. This is on a Sienna, of course, but the fold-in power mirrors are on several. CHRs have them. It's on several of the Toyotas, the Lexuses, and I know across several other brands have the exact same icons, exact same things that they do. So this should help you no matter what kind of car you have. Steve Welcher, Beam of Toyota, downtown Nashville. Have a beautiful day. Talk to you guys later.